Hello all nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel, and this week I am going to do Zodiac Leo nails, and this is my 4th entry in my Zodiac nail art series. And I'm sorry I had been a bit off for the past 2 weeks, but I am back now and I'm gonna go through all your lovely comments and reply to all of them. So let's begin. Yellow, peach, golden and blue are my base colors, and on the yellow nails I am going to do a simple golden ombre, and I think it's looking so pretty, like gilded nails. I will be starting off with the Leo zodiac symbol using black nail paint, and this design is pretty simple, and for giving it a stamping like effect I am going to do multiple symbols on the same nail and of different sizes. On this finger I will draw only one Leo symbol, and if you haven't watched my previous zodiac sign videos yet, then you can do so by clicking this link in the card. Now on a golden base, let's draw the fierce and majestic lion that Leo symbolizes, and for stylizing purpose I am going to draw only half of the face, but you can similarly draw the other half and complete the full face on your nail if you want to. If you're liking this video and the concept of zodiac nail art, then please give this video a big thumbs up right now as you watch me do the design. And now I am adding some little bits of yellow nail paint on the lion's face to make it even more prominent. Now let's write the word Leo, without which the nail art will be incomplete, and I'm going to touch some hints of golden to match with the color scheme. As you watch this video, please leave a comment, and also please subscribe to my channel and help me reach 500 subscribers soon. And for the last nail I will be doing the usual zodiac constellation, and for that I have a glittery blue background on which I will be simply scattering some light blue and silver paints using a sponge to give a slightly galaxy-like effect. And this time I will not be putting any glitter top coat, instead I will just dot some silver nail paint using the dotting tool to make them look like stars.